Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce you one of the most interesting new ICO projects called Multiversum. Multiversum is claimed to be the fourth generation blockchain, and it has some new interesting features we'll talk about in this video. Let's check the official website. The site is multiversum.io, and you can read it in any of 13 languages listed here. As you can see here, MTV tokens are already available to buy, and you have an opportunity to get them with a 15% bonus within the next 7 days, and after that time the bonus will be lower. You also have an online support here in case you have any questions. And yeah, Multiversum is claimed to be a good solution for individuals, for companies, and even for government institutions. Yeah, as you can see, the soft cap of $5 million is already reached, and they have almost doubled its amount, so it's actually a very good sign, and it's very good for investors. Let's check their white paper. Their white paper you can find here and download it easily. Yeah. Let's see why the Multiversum is claimed to be the fourth generation blockchain. So the most important thing for me is the transaction speed, which is actually very fast. It takes less than a second to make any transaction, and that is including security validation of the transaction, so it's really among the fastest in the world. Such a speed is achieved by ability to run different transactions simultaneously and by split rejoin mechanism of this blockchain. The next point is transaction throughput, namely 1000 TPS for one core on 64 core server, so that is 64,000 TPS, and it supports 64 plus cores technologies. The next point is the proof of integrity. The proof of integrity replaced the proof of stake, which was represented in the second generation blockchain, and it's a protocol that performs cryptographic validation by checking the authenticity of the software that resolves every persistence of the transaction. In other words, the proof of integrity is a cryptographic proof of server code. The next point is next generation wallet. It's a new approach to access and funds transfer with biometric inputs like eye scanning and fingerprint or graphematic signature. Biometric data will be used on Android, iOS, and other platforms applications to manage user security. The next step is eco-friendly, and it's actually one of the main principles of the company. Multiversum transaction will have insignificant costs and next to zero environmental footprint. So as you can see here in frequently asked questions, the coin is absolutely not mineable. That means that will not allow increase in energy consumption for this token mining, as a result less pollution and more healthy planet. Okay, the next step is the rollback of undesired operations. It can be enabled optionally on all tokens and applications hosted on Multiversum blockchain. That is done, of course, for user security, and wallet is also freezable. That means you can just block it for security's sake. The next step is divisible chains. It's optimizing the workload with possibility of splitting the main circuit into several subchains. And the last point is recovery nodes allocation. Multiversum nodes allocated all over the world for resilience, reliability, and recovery in case of global disaster. Okay guys, that were the main points I wanted to share with you today about this project. So think about it and take your decision. Personally, I think that the project is of very good quality. It seems very promising, and it definitely has future. So I hope this video was useful and interesting for you. See you next time.